In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum in Excel formula. Are you ready to become a wizard at whipping up formulas in Microsoft Excel? Excellent. Today we have a very handy tutorial lined up for you where we'll dive into the basics of summing numbers in Excel using formulas. Whether you're managing budgets, doing some personal finance, or just love crunching numbers for fun, this skill is a must-have. So let's get started. First things first, to follow along you'll need access to Microsoft Excel. If you don't have the software installed on your computer, no worries. You can easily use the free version of Microsoft 365 online, which includes Excel. Just head over to the free Microsoft 365 online site. It's a fantastic resource that lets you access Excel from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. It's crucial to sign into your Microsoft account to save and access your files anytime, anywhere. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, it's easy to create one right on the spot. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account, then hit Next to proceed. The process is pretty straightforward, but ensuring you're logged in is crucial for accessing and saving your work properly. Now for the fun part, let's open up an example file to apply our sum formula. For today's tutorial, we're going to use a simple example file. This step is where your journey with numbers begins. Find an Excel file you've worked on before, or start with a new sheet to practice. If you're following directly, click on the example file link provided. With your file open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Excel spreadsheets are composed of rows and columns, creating a grid of cells. Each cell can contain data such as numbers, text, or formulas. Today our focus is on summing numbers, so let's look at a range of cells where we want to perform the sum operation. For this tutorial, suppose you want to sum numbers in cells from C2 to C5. Click on an empty cell where you'd like the sum result to appear. This cell will now contain our formula. Here's where the magic happens. Type in the formula =sum C2 C5. The equal sign indicates to Excel that you're entering a formula followed by sum, which is Excel's function for addition. Inside the parentheses you specify the range of cells you're summing up, in this case C2 through C5. This formula adds up all the numbers in cells C2, C3, C4 and C5, giving you the total. Once you've typed in your formula, press enter. Voila! The cell where you entered the formula will now display the sum of numbers in the specified range. It's that simple yet incredibly powerful for managing and analysing data. A few tips to enhance your experience. Excel allows you to sum not just vertical ranges but horizontal ones as well. Plus, you can sum non-adjacent cells by separating the cells or ranges with commas in your sum formula. Experiment with different ranges and cells to get comfortable with summing numbers in Excel. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the sum formula in Excel, a fundamental skill that opens up a world of possibilities for numerical analysis and data management. Practice this skill with different sets of data to become more proficient. That wraps up our tutorial on how to sum numbers in Excel using the sum formula. Thanks for following along. Now go ahead and explore the power of Excel formulas further. There's so much more you can achieve with this incredible tool at your fingertips. Happy summing and see you in our next video.